I would say good morning, but it's actually the afternoon.
Because we've been working hard this morning, actually.
We're working hard so we can have a car like that and a house like that. We're just off to Soho now.
And then we're gonna have a little girlies hair appointment later. And also, the weather's absolutely gorgeous.
And I feel like we're gonna have a great day today.
Yeah.
How much is it?
It's a yes. Comment below.
Hello vlog.
Let me fix my hair. Look at my. Listen, I'm a messy gal. I'm a messy gal.
Yeah, I'm so messy. So this is my career girl top. I have my new favourite jacket ever. What happened? London is just so beautiful at this time of day. The lighting's perfect. I'm literally loving life. Oh, so smart. So, right, we need to debrief the vlog. We've got our hair done in the most beautiful hairdressers ever. The vibes, the music, the people.
The smell.
The smell. Lovely, lovely experience.
My friend Amy, she used to work in film. She would. We destroyed that.
Where are we?
The cow. When Lauren's favourite places to hang out, so if you're trying to marry her, you can wait for her here.
Here's what we do best. We look for an excuse to come to a lovely restaurant. We celebrate.
My favourite too.
Each their own. I just don't want to like carry around with a bunch of no, I mean, it's someone's like house for the weekend. You have a schmissen now. The health benefits are
We just had such a panic. It's just a posh knocker. It's just a posh knocker.
You sure I'm not hungry?
Sarah says she's too full.
Maybe I'll ask for a doggy bag.
Cheers! It's cold.
Well, I mean, for once, you don't say it's the best coffee you've ever had.
Try it, it's so weird.
Can I have an extra hot skinny latte?
It's nice. You want to try?
Ooh! Health is worth. Yeah. It's like a tortoise.
Yeah.
She's treating me for my birthday.
Oh no, well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Well, have a lovely day and have a lovely birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you. Didn't see you there.
Peace and love.
perfect place and weather for people to understand why we love London. Yeah, this is like the epitome of London.
Trench coat button to the top and these ballerina ass slippers. What's going on?
Now we're off to go vintage shopping and enjoy this beautiful weather.
She's gonna cry.
I need to stop.
Yeah,
Just got to strakers.
I'm just outside waiting for our table.
These are great.
I'm really excited. Like I've never eaten here before. I love mocktails.
This is so good.
Hi vlog, we're at our table and we're here with the girlies celebrating Sarah's birthday. I've always wanted to come to Sarah's restaurant and the food's supposed to be amazing. We have a mocktail here. I don't know what it is, but it's very special. Bittery, like, and sour at the same time, and spicy. Mary, do you want to try?
That goes crazy. It's like a and you say these appetizers, it's not like they try very different.
I got we talking to Camilla.
Also random from Molly May.
Finished dinner. I'm super full.
I think we should go to Sorry? Are we going to do it item by item?
Deal or no deal? Deal. So we're at Soho House and we're just gonna have some cake now. It says SJ and she's the same but 1 year slayer and it's a reference to Brat. Have to do that for like
Yeah, almost like, yeah, it looks perfect. It looks like you need to lift this side. You got it.
Oh my god, you look unreal.
I had a conversation today with my manager about how much you love Yorkshire tea.
Yeah, it is the best.
Because we talked about Costco and 2 kilo. Do you remember those?
Oh, I need to get that, you know.
Yeah.
So,
Great outfit.
I feel a bit too extra, but it's okay.
If you get some good food, send us something on our Insta.
I will. Thank you. Sarah's birthday, we're all going bowling. He was like, make sure to tag us in the footage. So yeah, shout out to Rowan's in Finsbury Park. We just took photos of Ludo next to the kissing booth. Okay, I've got my sax pots, Lizzie pad, top. And look at Ludo's outfit.
I think like everything is thrifted.
Saving the planet.
Vlogging. You gotta say to the camera, you know, what is it? Everybody has to, you know.
Welcome to the vlog! Subscribe! Look at this darling green! Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, vlog. Ciao, Bella.
Goodbye vlog.
It's Pisces season, you know, like.
My loneliness is killing me.